Welcome to www.mypaseo.life. My name is Tom Hall. I am both the developer and the webmaster for the community website. And in this video, I wanted to take a few moments and familiarize you with the website registration process. So when you go through the website to various pages like the dining page, for example, there are certain features or functionalities on the website that are only available to residents. And to accommodate that, we needed to have a resident login area. So right here, you can see we have the dining page. And on the dining page, you scroll down, and anybody in the world, for that matter, can go on the website and look at how wonderful of a community Paseo is. But we don't want people necessarily making reservations for our various dining venues if they're not a resident at our community or a guest for that matter. So what we've done is, if you look up here in the top right corner of any page, there is an area or a button here that says Resident Login. And upon clicking Resident Login, it will open up a small window. And if you're already registered, it'll ask you for your username or password. If you're not registered, or if you forgot your password rather, you can click here to forgot password. And if you don't have an account, register here. So I'm going to go ahead and click register here. Now in doing so, what it asked me is, it asked me, what's my street? Where do I live? And we utilize the tax roll to populate this data. And I'm going to click on Bibiana Way, and my house number is going to be 8091. And because my house number has a unit number, I'm going to go ahead and type that in, 603. So that activates the next button. Well, upon clicking the next button, you can see that, again, using the tax roll, we have listed myself and someone else. Well, the someone else would be someone that is currently renting in Paseo. So they may live at my address, or they may live at a given address. And while the owner of the address is not registering at this point in time, maybe a resident within an address is. So we're going to go ahead for the sake of this demonstration and choose Thomas Hall. And I'm going to go ahead and provide my email address and my phone number. And I'm going to hit next. Now it comes up and it asks me, what is my preferred postal address? And what this means is, do I want my mail to come to my address in Bibiana Way right here? Do I want my mail to come here? Or maybe I want my mail going up north. Perhaps I live up in Ohio or New Jersey or something like that. And that's where I want any mail to be going. So I'm going to go ahead and, for the sake of this, I'm going to type or say, yes, that is my postal address. Now it's going to ask me for a username, and you can see the username must be at least 3 characters long and consist of only letters, numbers, a hyphen or underscore, no spaces. So I'm going to go ahead, and for my username, I'm just going to type in my name. I'm going to type in Tom Hall, just like this. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to hit register. And you'll get the little animated icon right here. It's thinking. I'll give it a moment while it registers. And it says, Dear Thomas M., welcome to Paseo Community Website. Now, what it says here is that it says you are now a registered user. You just need to obtain your one-time password. It will be sent to the email address you provided during registration. Use it to log into the website for the first time, and then you will be prompted to change your password. So let's go and get my password. All right, so having gone to my email, I was able to get an email from the webmaster at Paseo, and in doing so, it provided me a temporary password. So I'm back at the front end of the website, and now I'm going to go ahead and click Resident Login. I'm going to type in the username, Tom Hall, And I will paste in the password as it was sent to me, and I will hit login. And I will hit login, and it says, welcome Thomas M. It seems you've logged in for the first time. Before you can access your resident profile, we must ask you to set your password. Use the form below. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to generate a password with a password tool that I have, and I'm going to hit save password. Now it says your password has been saved. Check the console for details. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to come back up here and I'm going to go to resident login. Type in this, and I'm actually going to need to go and get my password, which I use a wonderful password. I use a wonderful password tool called LastPass, which saves all of my passwords. So if I did this correctly, I should be able to come in here and copy my password. And I'm in. I'm into the back end of the website. So that is the registration process of the website. And you can see in the back end, there's various items here, the mailbox, the settings, edit profile, case of emergency, etc. And I'm going to use another video to familiarize you with this aspect. This video, I just wanted to take a few moments and show you how the registration process works. I hope this was helpful to you. If you have any questions at all, by all means, you can go to the footer of the website, and there you will see a link that says Webmaster. Click on Webmaster, and you will see my contact information right here, and you can give me a call or drop me an email, and I'd be happy to help you. Thanks so much, and have a great day, and enjoy your Paseo life.